back to my channel. As you guys can see, I have my hair pulled back so you know what time it is. We are doing a wig review. Not this girl, not her. I ordered a wig online to see how it would look on my head because I never did this color before and I'm really excited to try it on. This is me unboxing this new wig that I got. Let's get into this video. The wig came in this box. I never heard of this hair company. I've seen reviews on it on YouTube and then I looked at the Amazon reviews and pictures. So I was like, oh my God, okay, I never did this color before. I'm gonna unbox it. So the wig just came in plastic. And it came with a wig cap, of course. So we're gonna put on the wig cap first, just to see how it looks, okay? This wig is pre-plucked. I'm gonna have to go in and, you know, fix it all up or whatever, you know. And we're gonna put it on so it has tissue on the inside. It has a net protecting the hair, and voila, this is my Beyonce. Oh my God, this is so pretty. So it has 4 combs, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so it has 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 on the bottom. And then it has the elastic band here, of course, like most wigs do. This is the parting space, which is pretty good for me. I don't need too much parting space for a wig, but you know, it'll work. So let's put this baby on. Oh wow. This is so pretty. So the hairline looks cool or whatever. It looks okay, but I'm definitely gonna go in and pluck a little bit more. You can still see my cap, but that won't be showing, of course. So this is how it looks. It's human hair. Oh my God, this is pretty. And I believe I got 18 inches or 16. I think this is 18. Oh wow, this is so pretty, you guys. It's so soft. Let me see if it sheds. I'm gonna brush it. No, nothing. Wow, this is so pretty. Oh my God. I'm definitely wearing this on Christmas. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on my wig stand. This is so nice. It fits like perfect. I can't wait to, oh my God, this is so pretty. So this is what the back looks like. This is so pretty, guys. Oh my God. This is so pretty. Oh my God. I'm so in love. Okay, let's see what it looks like on the wig stand. So out with the old. Out with the old. The lace is like, you know, it's cool. It's very soft. It's not like, you know, hard. Oh my God, it's so pretty. The hairline is pretty good. Like when I look up close, when you look up close, like, I mean, I can do some plucking, but it doesn't really need that much plucking because it's pre-plucked already. But if you go in a little bit, it's so pretty. So I can't wait because I'm just gonna like have this bone straight basically. But the highlights are like perfect. They're in a really good spot. I'm really excited about this color, you guys. I've never worn this color before, or I never worn like highlights before. So all right, since I have her on the head, I'm just gonna pluck it a little bit. So you want to always just pull the hair out in the front. Just gonna clip it back, and I'm not gonna pin this down because I'm just gonna do a little bit. I'm not gonna go crazy with this. Just gonna wet it. You guys can see in the brush, just a little bit. You guys see? She's very pretty, very, very pretty. I'm very, very, very impressed, especially because, you know, Amazon, sometimes YouTubers, sometimes big influencers, they get first dibs on the best wigs, and then, you know, when we actually get a chance to purchase it, sometimes it's not the same wig, or, you know, we're always having like trouble finding a really good reasonable wig. So I'll leave the link in the description box below. I'll apply her and stuff like that, but I just wanted to do an unboxing with you guys and show you her, and I hope you guys like this very short video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.